Hey everyone, this is Casey with POS Highway, and I'll be showing you our exclusive sync app, which integrates QuickBooks Online and NCR Counterpoint SQL POS for retail and wholesale businesses. Our integration automates many of your day-to-day accounting tasks between Counterpoint POS and QuickBooks Online. This will free up hours of your day by automating your bookkeeping and journalization to your general ledger and accounts payable. With automation in mind, this will minimize human input error and eliminate manual or double entry. By integrating these two systems, you can generate financial statements daily and ensure the information is both accurate and up to date.
Let's dive into the high-level features of our integration. Visit counterpointsqlpos.com to sign up or log into the system.
The first thing you'll see after logging in is your dashboard, which provides a quick snapshot overview and count of the various transactions taking place for that day. We can see the number of files or documents processed, total vendor invoices or bills, total journal entries, and any instances of duplicate entries for your review. Let's look at one transaction type, vendor invoices or bills. Here is an invoice we received on a shipment from a vendor. You will be able to view each invoice along with transaction details from the invoice, such as vendor name, document number, the total amount due, the QuickBooks reference number, and so forth. Similarly, we have integrated journal entries to be posted into your general ledger account between Counterpoint and QuickBooks Online. Details such as the transaction type, document number, amount collected, and so forth are viewable for every transaction made in Counterpoint. The last transaction section allows you to review duplicate entries. This feature automatically identifies any duplicate entries. Once the duplicate entries are identified, you can decide whether to keep the transactions or delete it entirely, all within our online portal. Let's quickly go over how our integration is set up or configured for Counterpoint POS and QBO. Setting up the integration is very straightforward and can be done in just a few steps. Sign into your QuickBooks Online account directly from our interface. Enter your username and password, and you'll be taken to a confirmation screen where a count of all your chart of accounts, classes, customers, payment terms, and vendors are accounted for. To connect our sync app to Counterpoint POS, download the Sync Tool utility from our portal, then install the utility on the server where your Counterpoint installation resides. Now that we have both systems connected, the last step is to map all necessary entities between them. Let's take a look at the first mapping section, Accounts. One major benefit to this integration is if your general ledger account names are not the same between Counterpoint POS and QuickBooks Online. With our sync app in place, you don't need to match the names in either system. It is all a matter of mapping the accounts, and our integration will handle the rest. The same applies with vendors, terms, and classes. If these various entities use different labels between CP and QBO due to naming conventions, our integration can still recognize and match them accordingly. Once you map the vendors, all information, including historical purchasing and receiving data, will associate accordingly to the correct vendor between the two systems. Our integration supports multi-location businesses as well. Classes are your store locations. For example, you have two retail store locations, let's call them Store 1 and Store 2. In Counterpoint, they're referred to as 00 and 01, whereas in QuickBooks Online, they're referred to as Profit Center 01 and Profit Center 02. With these two stores mapped, our integration automatically recognizes and associates the various transactions made and matches them by store location in both systems. Another handy feature enables you to add any of these entities on the fly. For example, if you have a new general ledger account in QuickBooks but don't have it created in Counterpoint POS, you can easily create and add the new account directly from our online portal and map it to the matching account in QuickBooks Online. Lastly, we'll set up our users for this system. All required personnel who needs access to the system can be managed all through the online portal. Give access to internal or external users at your discretion. We also have a system log that keeps track of sync requests and postings to your GL and AP accounts. The type of request, along with whom and when it all took place, is provided here for transparency. You can also set up notifications to inform you when an action is taken in the system. If you're interested in learning more about our QuickBooks Online integration for Counterpoint POS, give us a call at 888-881-1988 or visit poshighway.com to speak with a consultant. Thank you so much for your time, and have a great day.